One sunny day, Cotton the bunny was happily exploring the forest.
Hop, hop, ha ha!
Suddenly, Cotton heard someone crying.
Who needs help?
Oh no! Are you okay, little bird?
My wing hurts. I can't fly. Don't worry, I'll help you.
Cotton carefully took care of the bird.
Thank you, Cotton. You are so kind.
Helping friends makes me happy. Small acts of kindness make the world a better place.
Be kind and keep smiling.